Stage gate waterfall helps to reduce batch size and therefore increases our competitive agility by introducing enough overhead to give the organization a sense that there is a cost of delay, especially if that delay is caused by poor planning ahead of time. In other words, our responsiveness to signals is increasing mostly because we want to ensure that we have accurate information. Now that works fine as long as accurate information is available and you can get it quickly enough to make good decisions. As long as our investment in digital and technical product innovation is periodic and not too many things at a time, stage-gate waterfall can handle things very well. The more we move into continuous investment, we start to see some drawbacks. Again, the responsiveness to the market itself can be pretty low, and our learning curve disadvantages against a Silicon Valley startup are very significant. They can ramp up with extreme focus on a few technical items. And an organization that is an enterprise that does not compete in that way won't be able to effectively keep up once they check for the signal from the market that they're already behind. Now, there's also two other drawbacks. Because we need to focus so much on capacity utilization as the main way of keeping down our project budget, it leads to a in-group, out-group, and organizational siloing. In other words, the planning mechanism, the building mechanism, and the testing mechanism end up extremely separated. Now that's very useful in terms of managing scope creep, but it's very poor at actually predicting outcomes. You are controlling cycle time directly based upon estimated plans. So if information was imperfect at all, you're almost doomed. The need to control capacity utilization, as we see from Little's law, is actually much simpler if we can simply manage input in the first place and then constrain work in progress. Now you saw that we did that over here in Big Bang Waterfall to help solve this with a funding mechanism. And we've probably shortened it even more and made it look, at least, far easier to control with the stage gate system. But if we truly want to continuously invest and continuously check for market signals, we're going to have to take that to a new level. And that is when we start to get to cost center agility.